Eze. Money is good, oh. Money is very good. Money is good. Over busy. Now this place be today. This street is so over busy today. My former shop. Now yeah, for the buy clothes that time. Before I can't discover online. I don't buy clothes for here. Well. I don't buy clothes for here. Well. This one I found sweater. Gang. That is for you. Welcome to Saint Lazare. So I go somewhere. I'm going to traditional marriage. Follow me. Let's go. Traditional marriage. So I did Saint Lazare. I never go there before. You know, say if they go somewhere, you must waka, you must waka to make sure say you don't miss road, most especially this Paris, I be France when we dey. So might go find out for the other side. Follow me. More go. Now Saint Lazare dey so. You not go reach Saint Lazare, me everywhere not full. You not go reach this train station. Me everywhere not full. Not dey. Don't see crowd. Now Saint Lazare be this way. You don't say since how many months I never reach here. So because of the important personality when the person be there, so I need to go. She's a very important person to me. So I must go, I must. I don't get any excuse. I must 100%. When they say 100%, this thing 100%. Now the person be to me. Now I must go. So more go look. Now line L. Me the find line L. I define. You know, say where you know they go always. You must, Then when you can't go, you go like say something they miss or you they miss road. Now so you be today. Now must. Now I see whether I here line L. The time I never get ticket. If I want pass this place. Now whoa, no problem. I never get ticket. No problem. If I don't look good, I suppose look good. If I look good, if I talk am before, I say where you never go before, or place where you know they always they go. The day when you can't go, you go like say you start afresh. Fine, look bored, bro. France na bored. Everywhere you dey go, all of them they bored. Now for you to check where you they go. I never still see how. I need to settle down to am. So please follow me for no reason. See you all for my next video. Make I settle down, check am.